Look, sing. Sing with them. What?
Baby.
Watch out, brother's gonna get you.
Get you. Get you. Get you. Get you.
Colton. Colton.
Coco.
Yeah, there's Colton on there.
Coco.
Colton. Hey.
Coco. Coco.
Yeah, look at Colton. Look at him.
Coco.
Yeah, sit down. Where's Colton?
Coco.
Where's Colton at?
Coco.
Do not eat his candy. Look at Mommy. Alexis Brooke. Hey, look at Mom. Give it to brother.
Coco.
You give that to brother. Give it to brother now.
Coco.
Feed it to him. Sweet. Go get your food. Get your juice.
Get you.
Dance.
Dora and Boots need to get Little Star home to the moon so everyone can make their wish. Now, where is the moon?
Colton.
Right! The moon is above the tall mountain.
Talk to Mommy.
Coco.
Well,
Coco.
Yeah, you look at Colton?
Coco.
There he is.
Coco.
He's eating, huh? Don't touch. You
Coco.
gotta stop the video if you touch it.
Coco. Coco. Coco.
You gonna let brother play with your feet?
Coco.
Say Colton.
Coco. Coco.
tall mountain.
This is a game they play.
Ridge.
Coco. Coco.
Let him play with your feet.
Coco. Coco.
Colton. Colton, say.
Coco. Coco.
Yes, baby. Colton, hey.
Coco. Coco.
Hey, brother.
Coco. 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 No. No. No.
Alexis, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Blow kisses.